In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. Whether you want to review what's been finished in a specific bucket, scan everything that's done across your plan, or get a quick visual snapshot of progress, I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to find exactly what you need. Let's start in the board view, the Kanban-style board where most people do their daily work. Each task sits in a bucket, like to do or a specific project phase. Completed tasks don't disappear, they're tucked neatly at the bottom of the bucket they originally lived in. To see them, scroll to the bottom of any bucket and look for the line that says completed with a number in parentheses. There's a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow and the section expands to reveal every finished task in that column. You can open any task to review notes, attachments, or checklists without changing its status. Click the arrow again to collapse the list. If you don't see the completed line, it likely means there aren't any finished tasks in that bucket yet. If you prefer a wider spreadsheet style look, switch to the grid view for the fastest way to see all completed tasks across your entire plan. At the top right, click Filters to open the filter pane. In the pop-up, find the Progress option and choose Completed. Instantly, the grid narrows down to show only tasks that are done, no matter which bucket they came from. This is great for end-of-week reviews or status reports because you can scan columns like bucket, due date, and assignee all in one place. When you're finished, clear the filter to bring everything back. For a high-level snapshot, go to the Charts view, click the Charts tab along the top, and look for the status donut chart. The green segment represents completed tasks. It's a quick way to see how much of your plan is done at a glance. If you want to drill into the details, click that green segment. The task list on the right automatically filters to show exactly which tasks are completed. Click away from the chart or reset your filters to return to the full view. To recap, use Board View to check finished work within a specific bucket, Grid View to filter and review all completed tasks across the plan, and Charts View to see your overall progress and quickly drill down. With these options, you can stay organized, report confidently, and keep momentum as your plan moves forward.